Hi, my name's Donnelly and I'm a working photographer from Liverpool. I shoot top flight sport, I shoot environmental portraiture which we've been shooting today. We've been here on an URBEX workshop with Wilkinson Cameras. We've had 13 people come along. They've all shot. They've used the Sony system. We've been supported by Sony UK. They've also been supported by Rotalight. And the two systems work very well together. Because of the direction of the light and where it's positioned, it's actually shaping a face and it's getting form and dimension into a face, and we're creating that just purely with the light, nothing else.
Hi, my name is Wilkinson. I'm a professional commercial model and I'm also a singer and burlesque performer, even though you probably wouldn't think that right now because I've got all this horror makeup on and stuff. Yeah, I've really loved today actually. I've wanted to come to this venue for many years, so when Terry asked me if I wanted to come along, I just jumped at the opportunity. It's a really cool location, great team, amazing like outfits and concepts and hair and makeup, and yeah, it's been really fun.
My name's Phil Barker. Spent most of my time as a teacher and got into photography again later on. I've always shot DSLR, but coming on this I'm starting to think about swapping onto a Sony camera, of course. I think it's the quality. I've never been sure about the quality. I've shot another mirrorless camera, which I've enjoyed because you can carry it around. It's much more convenient instead of lugging the big lenses, etc. around. Really good today watching him doing the lighting on Vallis and how he set it up and what he was aiming to do. So all in all, it's a really good day, and I must compliment him on the lunch, which was super.
So for anybody wanting to get into environmental portraiture, places like this are ideal. It's an URBEX type shoot, but I'd always recommend that you get permission to go into these buildings because they can be dangerous and you don't want to be trespassing. And of course at Wilkinson Cameras there's a lot of events as well. You go to their event page and you come out on days, on tryout days, experience days, and you'll often get Sony and other manufacturers coming into the store and being there for the day with the full range of the kit, and they can purely just go through every aspect of your photography with you.